Hi, I hope this is your last exam. If not, कोई बात नहीं. I am so sorry. I did not make a video on history as such because I had the lowest marks in history. I had only 90, and there were mistakes that I did that I would like to highlight. First of all, the first thing I did was I did not read the boxes that were actually really important. हम लोगों का boxes से पूरा एक case based study आ गया था that I didn't mention in this post as well, but I understand posts do not reach that much. So firstly we will be understanding this 2024 previous year question. I will be attaching the link as always description में. So section C में भी they have made this mind map that I say for every paper you should be making mind maps for everything, and then they have written more points than necessary as well in a lot of sort of made diagrams like these. So at the end of the day, it's how good you present what all you know. Okay, you may be knowing a lot of things. That is what happens in history. You have a lot of knowledge, but you just need to synthesize it in accordance to the person that is checking your answer sheet. That would be all the tips that I would like to say. Okay, so the first thing is I will just keep it in serial number. Okay, so the first step would be do not skip the boxes. They get asked in case based. Secondly, you should go through every timeline, everything, but just practice answer writing as well, because answer writing is the most important in history. You have a lot of information to deal with, so you need to synthesize it, as I said, in accordance to the checker. Thirdly, please revise all the notes you have. History has a lot of content, and a lot of times also please skip the boxes. They are the other timelines that are not important जो end में दी हुई होती है, वो वाले boxes में skip करना, because that I paid for. So वो वाले boxes में skip करना, but जो extras है, that are known extras, जो बहुत लंबे चीज़ें दी होती है, that thing you can skip. That's it. Yeah, all the best, and please go through this topic answer sheet for any other advice, and then you can comment down below. I will be answering every comment. Good luck. Bye bye.